C++ is a powerful language for making games. It gives you a lot of control. You can make games that run fast. Many popular game engines use C++. Learning C++ opens doors for you in the game industry. You can start with simple games and then make more complex ones. C++ is a good choice if you are serious about game development. To start, you need a good code editor. This is where you will write your C++ code. Some popular choices are Visual Studio Code and Atom. Next, you need a compiler. A compiler turns your code into something the computer can understand. G++ is a common compiler for C++. You will also want a debugger. A debugger helps you find and fix errors in your code. These tools are essential for C++ game development. Libraries are collections of pre-written code. They make your life easier. For two-dimensional games, SDL and SFML are popular choices. These libraries handle things like graphics, sound, and input. For three-dimensional games, you might use OpenGL or DirectX. Learning to use these libraries is important for creating different types of games. Start with something simple, like a text-based game. Then try making a simple two-dimensional game. You can find many tutorials and examples online. As you gain experience, you can move on to more challenging projects. Practice is key to becoming a better game developer.